this is also on. Let's see, power is on. So function generator. So this is the other way. So you can see the AC power, basically you can see that. That's AC. I also connected it to, what was that? Oh, I connected this. So this is a tester. So basically, the oscilloscope comes with a tester. So you can do, so it's like a square wave. So you can see the square wave, that's from just that. I'm not using that. But you can do square wave too, basically. You can make it square like that. And then you can make it zipper, you can make it pulse, you can make it noise.